Welcome back to the Hillbilly RV channel. Today, I'm going to update, well by we I mean me, I'm going to update my 7-way test box to the mid-2020s. We're going to take it from the late 1990s to the mid-2020s. We're going to take most of these incandescent bulbs out and put some LEDs, except for the brake. I'm going to leave it incandescent because I'm not 100% sure that you could test a brake controller with an LED light. So I'm just going to put a bigger, because my old eyes don't work like they did in the late 1990s. I'm going to put a bigger light there, but it's still going to be an incandescent light. So let's get started. Y'all have seen inside this before, and you know, that's what it looks like. And we're going to make some changes, and it's going to be better, it's going to be brighter, and it's going to be newer. Let me get y'all all zoomed in there. Try to. We're going to start by just unplugging all these wires off these old lights. I did that with spade connectors because the lights that I bought. That's why we're changing a lot of it, because that light broke. I think it light broke when I was showing y'all the inside of my test box there a few videos ago. I think these lights have gotten old and brittle. Oh, that one's broke too. So yeah, they're old and they're brittle. Time for an update. Now the lights I bought are for a 3/4 inch hole. So we have to take all these lights out, which went in a 1/2 inch hole, drill these holes out in this box to 3/4 inch, and then we can start installing these new lights. So let me go drill some holes. See how these lights are going to come out. I have to get something to squeeze them, I guess. They got little catches on them. Yep. Probably end up just shattering them outside of them out. Oh, there it comes. There's what I had in there, and I'm going back with new. These new lights, like most LED lights nowadays for trucks, come with a rubber grommet. So just put that rubber grommet in the hole that we just drilled out to 3/4 inch. Run your light wires through, and then you do have to kind of work that light down into that grommet, because there's a little lip on this light, and that can be a bit challenging to do. It can be done. I find it easier to reach behind and kind of push the grommet out and push the light in. Of course, you don't have to build your own test box, because you can just go to Amazon or your local RV dealer or anywhere and buy a 7-way tester that will plug right into your truck, and you can test your 7-way like that. But you mobile guys, you may want to build something similar to this. I know one of the RV dealers here in town, they've had the same test box ever since I can remember, but it's a big old thing. They made it out of plywood, and it's probably 2 feet by 3 feet, but you can see that one. And yes, a lot of people was concerned about the length of my cord, said that I needed to put a longer cord on it. Well, I've got probably 6 feet of cord. And so yeah, we'll show you how it works here in a little bit. Let me get these last 3 lights in. Now for the brake, like I said, we're gonna stick with incandescent. I'm gonna put that bad boy on there so we can see that. Okay, let me carry on, and I'll be right back. I got all my grounds hooked to this post. White coming in from the 7-way plug is ground. So then I just have all the other ground wires for the lights on a post there. Just a machine bolt. I got the brake light mounted and all the other lights mounted. Now we're just wiring them. Just using butt connectors because this is not in the weather. So butt connectors, just plain old blue butt connectors are just fine. So brown wire is our right turn. Here's our right turn. Now we're joining the, I don't know gauges of wires, but we're joining a very small wire on those lights to probably a 12 gauge wire, 14 gauge. So what we do is just strip that a little extra long, double that wire over, slip our butt connector on, crimp it, tug it, it's fine. It is just fine. It's right turn, it's brown. So yeah, we're just joining wires. Just got this one and 2 more to do, and then we're ready to test. So red is a left turn. There's a left turn. We just keep doing this till we run out of wires. So just double that wire over, and it crimps good when you do that. That's one way of crimping a small wire onto a larger wire. Red left turn. Yeah, we could solder these, or we could use heat shrink tubing, but we don't have to do that. Like I say, this is not going to be in the weather. And then our last one is our park lights. Which is going to be green, because that's the only wire we have left. Besides the yellow one. Yellow is backup. No trailers use backup lights. You know, I wish they did sometimes. I wish it was common, because it is kind of nice to be able to see when you're backing the trailer up. But it's not common. As far as building this test box, back in the late 1990s, when I first started in business, I think, if I remember right, they wanted like a couple hundred bucks for a test box for a 7-way. And I built that one right there for just a few dollars. A little bit of 7-way wire, an end, a few lights, and an old lunchbox. So yeah, a lot of times, I mean, I just soon build it as pay hundreds of dollars for something that I could build for probably less than $12. Let's go test it. Go out here and see if it's quit raining yet. Anybody curious about this? If you're curious about this, go check out my other channel, Hillbilly RV Behind the Curtain. There's a link in the description of this video. There's a link in on the Hillbilly RV YouTube homepage. There's a link at the on the webpage, and a lot of other stuff going on there. PayPal, Patreon, merch, all that nonsense. So go check that out. If you want to see what's going on with this, you'll go check out my other channel. I hope if you like what you see there, go ahead and subscribe and all that stuff. Let's go test my my test box. See if it's quit raining. If it hadn't quit raining, I'm gonna back my truck in the garage. So let's go see. By us, I mean me. I'll go out there. Y'all just chill. Well, it was raining harder than it's probably rained all day. So let me plug this back. Let me go plug this in the back of my truck, and then we'll start testing. Oh, that's bright. So that's the charge line. Let me try park. There's the charge line in the park. Let's try left turn. Right turn. And I'm going to squeeze the brake control. It doesn't recognize as the trailer plug to it. Well, I just learned something. These new trucks with an built-in electronic brake controller are so stinking smart. They know that that's not trailer brakes back there. So it's just telling me to check trailer wiring. And when I squeeze the brake controller, you know, the little graph should go up. It's just nothing. So yeah, what are you gonna do? These new trucks, I guess in order to really test that, you'd have to put maybe a brake in there, or a brake magnet. I don't know, but anyhow, there you go. You got it. You got the idea. If you want to build your own 7-way test box, there you go. That's it for now, and I'm gonna go over here and start on that engine, and y'all have a fantastic day. What am I doing? I don't know. Go to that other channel and see. Later.